Many people believe cracking knuckles will lead to arthritis, but a growing body of research says otherwise. Researchers studied over decades, finding increased joint space noise, but no accelerated joint degeneration or elevated arthritis risk. A leading rheumatologist explains that the sound comes from gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid, not bone damage. Real-life examples show plenty of non-arthritic knuckle crackers who never develop painful joints, while arthritis can develop without knuckle cracking. So go ahead, crack with a caveat: it may be annoying to others, but it won't seal your fate.